Hi mamas! Welcome to this video where I'm going to be going over supplements. One of the most controversial things. Do they work? Do they not work? Yes, they absolutely do. I'm going to be going over when to take them, how to take them, why to take them, what they do. One point that I want to quickly make is that supplements are not an overnight pill. They definitely enhance your results, but you have to be being committed in the gym with your nutrition, stuff like that. If that is in place and you use these, then you will get tremendous results. Welcome to this video, guys. My name is Noel Arevalo. If you do not follow me on my other platforms, they are always in my description box, okay? So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into this video. I'm gonna be going over supplements for weight loss and so much more. So I'm so excited to bring this video to you because let's get that confusion out the door, okay? The first supplement that we're gonna be starting with is CLA and carnitine. Okay, no, that's not how you pronounce it, but it's CLA and carnitine. This is my main go-to supplement for weight loss. And the reason being is because I take it multiple times a week because it has no stimulant in it, which is really nice. So it allows you to take it more times a week. You don't really want to overdo it with stimulants in anything, especially supplements. So CLA and carnitine is a non-stim weight loss formula, and it has gotten me really good results. I take it 5 times a week, the days that I lift, and I'll take it 15 minutes before I actually go into the gym to lift. So you guys are looking for a fat burner, something with non-stimulant that doesn't make you feel all like jittery and stuff like that. I know some people experience that when they do take certain fat burners. This is your man or your girl, okay? So CLA and carnitine is my absolute favorite for weight loss. It breaks down long chain fatty acids. That's essentially what it does to where it burns more calories. And the rainbow ice flavor by BCAA is my most favorite flavor ever. Fat burners that have a stimulant in it, these are called Thermogenics, and what they essentially do, how they help you break down fat, is that they're stimulants. So one, they give you more energy to be able to exert more energy to burn more calories, and then 2, they heat up your inner core temperature, and so therefore you sweat a lot more. This is Roxyline. I'm not the hugest fan of stimulant fat burners, but if I do ever take one, it's always this one because this is the one I trust. I take it, I don't get any hard crashes from it. I don't feel like all jittery or stimmed out or anything like that. Or before Thermogenic. So these are BPIs, Roxyline or before Thermogenic. They're essentially the same. What I would suggest to you max using these is 3 times a week. And I would take these before you actually do cardio. After you lift, take them maybe like 10 minutes before you jump on the cardio machine, or if you just have a day where you're doing cardio, I would suggest taking it like 10 minutes. These kick in pretty quick, 10 minutes before you get on the actual cardio machine. And these are great sources of fat burners if you're looking for a thermogenic stimulant fat burner, Roxyline and before Thermogenic. So the next supplement is going to be, I'm gonna go ahead and go over Garcinia and carnitine. So these are BPI's new water enhancers, and these are essentially supplements for your supplements. So depending on, like, if you guys are wondering, deciding out of the 2 with like carnitine, CLA and carnitine. So I take this with me when I'm on the go, which I'm on the go often, or when I travel. So this is just like a supplement for your supplement. So either one kind of does the same exact job. It's just this is a lot more convenient, and it makes intaking water, adequate water, a lot easier because they have delicious flavors. This one's mixed berry, this one's lemonade, and they have a whole bunch of different ones. But anyway, so carnitine essentially does the same exact thing that CLA and carnitine does, okay? It's just a liquid form of it, and how I use this is I'll put it in my water bottles, again, 5 days a week when I lift, depending. I'll just supplement between the 2, like switch off cycle, and I do 2 like pretty heavy squirts into a half water bottle, or however how much I want to drink. It's totally up to you. As long as you do 2 squirts, you're gonna get the same exact results and effect. Garcinia, so this is also a liquid enhancer. I love this because if you are somebody who you find that you're having cravings at night, or you know, it's that time of month for you as a woman and you're having cravings, what Garcinia essentially does is it suppresses your appetite. So yes, so I will take this when it's that time of month for me and I'm really having cravings, or if I find myself having cravings and I've like, you know, already met my macro intake, I will have some of this and like, boom, like my cravings are absolutely gone. Creatine. Creatine is the one supplement that I started taking, this and protein powder, when I initially started lifting. So creatine is absolutely okay for women to take. I take this one, Best Creatine Defined, sour candy. That's also my second favorite flavor. I take it 5 times a week. I'll take it 20 minutes before the days that I lift. And again, just put it in some water, chug it down my throat, get in the gym, and I'm Superwoman. So this helps you pack on lean muscle, and we want all the gains. Lean muscle in the glutes, in the shoulders, all that stuff. Wherever you want it, creatine will give it to you. Okay, BCAAs this is a staple supplement. This should be in everybody's training regimen. I suggest this to all my clients. And the reason being is because branched chain amino acids is essentially the building blocks for protein. And what protein does for your body is it not only replenishes everything as far as your hair, your skin, your nails, all that stuff, like it replenishes literally everything. Dab on it, because you need them. You need them. Okay, Best BCAA, so helps with muscle recovery, protein muscle synthesis, so it promotes muscle growth. That's essentially what that means. And then it promotes muscle growth and muscle recovery, and it also protects your muscles. So say sometimes that you're, you know, you went into the gym and you didn't get in enough food and you go on the treadmill and you're like really depleting yourself, there is a potential chance that you could be actually eating into your muscles in a scenario like that. Like you went in there on low food, you're going hard on the cardio machine, like it could be not good for you, okay? So BCAAs, you pop some of these and you're good to go. And I will take this anywhere from like 3 to 6 times a week, and I usually will have it during my workout. That's when it's gonna be most beneficial, obviously, because that's when it's gonna be in your system, doing its thing, working around, grooving all through your body and all that stuff. All right, guys, so second to the last supplement that we're gonna go over is, that's open because I just used it. It's gonna be protein powder. So protein powder is an essential supplement as well. I would say this and BCAAs are like, you should definitely have these. And the reason being for protein powder is protein is so important to meat, to get in your needs of protein, because that is what is going to give you muscle. That is when it's gonna give you strength. And that's what's also gonna replenish everything in your body, not just being somebody who lifts consistently. So with protein powder, the reason why I love this so much is because it makes it so convenient to get in your protein. Like you just have a shake of it right before you go to the gym, which is what I will usually do. So that is when I'll have this. I usually have a protein shake before I actually go to lift, because it's just liquid, it's easily digested, and it doesn't really feel heavy on my stomach. So I love having a protein shake before, but you could essentially have them whenever. It just makes getting in protein like so easy, and as it should be, because it's already hard trying to prep meals and all of that stuff. That is why I suggest getting protein, because you want to make sure that you're getting in your protein needs. Super vital, and protein powder makes that super easy. So I will usually have it right before I go to the gym, probably about like 30 minutes to an hour before the gym. Last but not least, we're going to end with pre-workout. And once again, what flavor is that? You bet yourself it's rainbow ice. 1MR is a really good pre-workout. I will take pre-workout max around like 3 times a week. I'll take it 10 to 15 minutes before I go into lift. And when I usually take it is days that I have heavy leg days or heavy upper body days, because this really does help you like get through your workouts, and it truly does, like, in my opinion, make you stronger. So I will take this on the days that I lift heavy or days that I go in there, and we've all experienced them, where you just feel very fatigued and you don't really have much energy to get to your workout. 1MR will get you through, girl. And I think it's like partially open. But yes, so that is when I'll take pre-workout. and it just helps with concentration. It increases your strength, and it literally increases your performance. So this is amazing, but do not abuse it, because again, it's stimulant. So you don't want to be taking this like 7 times a week, because then your tolerance is going to build up towards it, and then you're not going to be really reaping the benefits that you get from this stimulant within pre-workout. So what I would suggest is taking it max like 4 times a week, 3 to 4 times a week, and staying in between that range. Something, please comment below if you have any questions. I love getting back to you guys. It's gonna be supplement 101, the best supplements for weight loss and all of that good stuff, enhancement, muscle, all of that stuff. If you did want to pick up some supplements, I do have a discount code for you, again, within the description box. So I love you guys so much. Thank you for tuning into my videos, and I will see you in the next one, because don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. Love you. Noel out.